Upgrade your John Deere 120 Loader Series compact tractor with the K&M Manufacturing left-hand step with right-hand tie-down. This step makes getting in and out of your tractor easier while adding a secure tie-down point. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready for a smooth installation. If your loader is currently installed, you'll need to remove it before proceeding with the installation. Now, remove the 3 M16 bolts from the loader mount. To avoid completely removing the loader frame upright, start by only removing the bottom 2 bolts. Mount the step using the bottom bolt first. Once it's finger tightened, remove the top bolt and rotate the step into position before securing the remaining bolts. Apply Blue Loctite 242 to the 3 fasteners following the package instructions. Unlike other steps that lock you into a single height, this step gives you the flexibility to mount it at your preferred height. Whether you need a higher position for a belly mount mower or a lower setup without one, you can customize it to fit your needs, all using the same steps. Simply install it at your desired height using the 3 fasteners. Now use a torque wrench to tighten all 3 fasteners to 223 foot-pounds. Be sure to re-torque every 50 hours to maintain a secure installation and prevent potential damage or injury. Repeat steps 2 through 5 for the right side tie-down, making sure it faces forward towards the front of the tractor for proper function. And that's it! Your John Deere 120 Loader Series step with right-hand tie-down is now securely installed, providing easier tractor access and a reliable tie-down point. Thanks for watching!